Get to tonight. So it's going to dry up anytime soon here, Kevin?
Yeah, I know a lot of us have been stuck indoors today because of all the rain across the area. You know, it's rare in the middle of the summer to have a day in which it rains from start to finish, but that's pretty much been the case today. The good news now is that rain is finally beginning to pull out of here. As you can see within the metro locally, a lot of the activity very light, mostly sprinkle and shower activity now. And even the back edge of that, as I make the picture a little bit bigger here, stretching from Middletown to Hamilton to Harrison to Versailles. So overall, we're going to be drying out this evening. You noticed several hours ago there were a lot more reds and yellows on the radar, heavier downpours, but now that's beginning to pull out. So if you're northwest of Interstate 71, you're virtually done with all of the rain. It's going to take the next couple of hours, though, through dinner time south and east of Cincinnati to finally get rid of those sprinkles and showers. But overall, rain is fading. It's going to be transitioning to drier, but it's going to stay very humid with temperatures remaining generally in the low to mid 70s out there. Tomorrow is a different story. Thunderstorms will pack a punch, but they're not going to get here until late in the afternoon, after 3 or 4 o'clock. But the storms tomorrow are likely to contain at least a wind and hail threat as a strong July cool front moves into our hot and humid air. Here's a live look outside tonight from high atop Carew Tower. You can actually see things trying to dry out a little bit. We're getting rid of some of those clouds. I don't think we're going to exactly go clear overnight. Temperatures, most of us in the low to mid 70s right now, from Maysville at 74, Wilmington's at 76, 75 in Harrison, Brookville, Connersville up there around 78. Within the 275 loop, pretty much everyone within a degree or two of 75 out there, so you can pick just about any location. Temperatures won't really budge much overnight. 73 at the airport right now. Here's how you know the air is full of moisture. That's why those downpours have been efficient rainmakers. Look at humidity up there around 100%. As a result, we've picked up just in the past 24 hours almost 3/4 of an inch of rainfall. That rain coming to an end, that storm system pulling out of the area. We're now shifting and focusing our attention on the strong cold front up near Minneapolis tonight. This is going to surge into our hot and humid air. It will also bring some weekend relief. If you're not a fan of the high levels of humidity, things are going to change. It's going to feel a lot better Saturday and to Sunday, especially for early to mid-July. Highs only in the low 80s, really low humidity levels, nights in the 50s. But the price we'll pay for that first will be the severe weather threat tomorrow afternoon and evening, and virtually the entire Ohio Valley under a slight risk for severe weather. But with it being a slight risk, I'm very confident that we'll have severe thunderstorm warnings and some wind and hail threats tomorrow evening. Here's a look at Futurecast. There's the rain getting out of here tonight. Skies try to clear tonight. We'll have to keep a close eye on this. We could see some patchy, dense fog towards morning. Either way, we'll get rid of the clouds early tomorrow. Hot sunshine breaks in here for the late morning through the afternoon. And notice as we head into the late evening, after 4 or 5 o'clock, these strong to severe storms start dropping towards the Ohio River. So your Friday evening activities will be heavily impacted by weather tomorrow evening. So just keep that in mind as we transition to a sunnier and much more comfortable weekend. So for tonight, the rain's fading with a threat for some fog late, 67 for your overnight low. We'll have plenty of hot sunshine tomorrow. Highs just shy of 90 until those severe storms arrive in the evening. Here's your day planner. 71 to start in the morning, up to 85 with hot sunshine in the late morning through the afternoon until those storms arrive. Here's your 7-day forecast. A much nicer weekend around here. Highs barely in the 80s and those overnight lows in the upper 50s to around 60.
All right, so race fans say yay. They're zooming the engine on that forecast. Right?